Dear students, we have already studied in this chapter the changes which are happening during the adolescent period, the role of hormones in both human beings and in other animals. A person is said to be healthy if he or she is physically and mentally fit. You have already learned in junior classes कि अगर हमने अपनी बॉडी को हेल्दी रखना है तो it is important to eat a healthy diet. An adolescent needs to eat a healthy and balanced diet as adolescence is the stage of rapid growth and development, जो अब तक आपको पता लग गया, हम पढ़ चुके हैं. तो adolescent की डाइट जो है, it should include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, mineral, vitamins in required proportions. और जो हमारी इंडियन डाइट होती है, which includes roti और राइस, पल्सेस, वेजिटेबल्स, दाल, कर्ड, मिल्क, तो ये जो है इट इज इन a way a complete balanced meal. Milk also should be included in daily diet because it is considered as a complete food in itself. इसके साथ ही fruits and green vegetables are rich sources of vitamins and minerals. You are already aware. So this also should be included in our daily diet, in a daily diet of an adolescent. It is must because that requires growth and development requires all these minerals and vitamins in required amount, and which you can get from fruits and green vegetables. Another thing, आयरन रिच फूड जैसे कि ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स हो गए, एंड अ वेरी रिच सोर्स ऑफ चीप एंड रिच सोर्स ऑफ iron rich food is jaggery, amla. That is also very essential because iron is needed to build blood, and as growing children, as uh, adolescents, you need iron rich food to avoid anemia that is caused which when iron is lacking in our diet. At the same time, you must remember जो junk food होता है जैसे chips या packed tinned snacks, they may be very tasty but they do not have adequate nutritional value, or and there is, you must remember, there is no replacement to your regular balanced meal. So you must, as an adolescent, take a balanced meal. Second very important aspect what we have to remember is personal hygiene. We have already learned and we are aware. Learned क्या, हमें तो पता ही है already कि we should keep our body clean. We should have bath at least once every day. For a teenager, it becomes even more essential to take care of his or her body. जो adolescents की body होती है, it becomes smelly due to increased activity of sweat glands, oil glands, acne की problem होती है. So it becomes even more important to have bath daily, wash all your body parts very well. And girls need to take special care about their personal hygiene during the time of menstruation. There are chances of bacterial infection if cleanliness is not maintained, और आजकल तो viral infection के भी बहुत ज़्यादा chances हैं. So we should make sure that we clean our hands, we clean all our body parts and take bath at least once daily. Trim your nails, that is very important. Along with keeping personal hygiene, doing physical exercise is one of the best way to keep our body fit. Teenagers जो होते हैं, they must take walks, exercise regularly. They should play outdoor games instead of spending all the time on the internet or other indoor activities, and even with the books. Although these are also an important part of life, but being fit is also important for adolescent. हमें पता है, हमें पढ़ना भी है, हमें knowledge भी gain करनी है, but remaining, if you are fit, then you are able to enjoy all these things. And moreover, what are the benefits of doing exercise or keeping yourself fit? It improves your strength doing physical exercise. It helps to build bones, healthy bones and muscles. It helps to control even weight. And for your surprise, it helps to reduce anxiety, stress, increases your self-confidence, and keeps you fit. Along with the physical activities, it becomes very important for the adolescents and for everyone to take required amount of rest and sleep. At least 9 to 10 hours of sleep is required during this period. So you must take rest also for the body to prepare itself for the task you're going to do after the rest. Maybe it learning, be it studying, be it concentrating on the work you're doing, or even the physical exercise. It is normal for the adolescents to feel confused and insecure. Beta, you must remember it is normal part of growing up. And it is not the phase we are talking about right now. Your adolescent phase will continue for few more years. So if anybody suggests you that you take drugs, they will not give you as drugs, but they will give you as some kind of an anti, maybe a suggestive drug that will give you relief, but you have to just say no. जो ड्रग्स होते हैं वो केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो कि प्रोड्यूस करते हैं चेंजेस इन द फिजिकल, मेंटल, बिहेवियरल, इमोशनल सेटअप ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, और ये एडिक्टिव होते हैं और बहुत 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 हार्मफुल होते हैं. ड्रग्स जो होते हैं दे रूइन बोथ हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस. अल्कोहल, स्मोकिंग, ड्रग्स in any form should not be experimented upon. The first time itself आपको इसको no बोलना है. Nothing of these sort will help you to overcome your confusion or your insecurity. Moreover, in the long run, it becomes a habit and it will spoil your future. आप लोगों ने already, you must have heard about AIDS. इसका full form है Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. It is caused by HIV virus. ये जो वायरस होता है ना, ये डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द बॉडी. इम्यून सिस्टम बिल्कुल वीक हो जाता है एंड इट कैन पास फ्रॉम इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टू नॉर्मल पर्सन बाय शेयरिंग द सिरिंजेस यूज्ड फॉर इंजेक्टिंग ड्रग्स, या फिर ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन के टाइम, या फिर इंजेक्शन लगाते वक्त, या फिर सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट के साथ विद अ पर्सन इन्फेक्टेड विद HIV. It can also pass to an infant from the milk of the infected mother. AIDS जो होता है, it does not spread by sharing food or shaking hands with the infected person, but it does spread by using infected syringes or needles. So you must make sure, razors, even razors, so you should not share with anyone your personal things, or not use personal razor or in syringes of the other persons. You as an adolescent, you have to remember and practice all these things what we have studied in this chapter. Beta, you all must be knowing that legal age of marriage in our country for girls is 18 years and for boys it is 21 years. Girls below 18 years jo hoti hain, they are not physically or mentally prepared for motherhood. So early motherhood can cause health problems in both mother and child, and so child marriage should be avoided. एक और बात आपसे जो आपकी बुक में डिस्कस की हुई है, there are many wrong notions, कुछ non scientific से facts होते हैं which have been followed by people from olden times. They were followed at that time because of lack of education. Now you already know how reproduction occurs in human beings, what are the changes, what is the role of human being hormones during the adolescence period, what is that which is bringing about these changes. आपको सारे facts पता हैं इसके साथ related after studying chapter 9 and 10. So you can discard these myths. कुछ myths ऐसे होते हैं जैसे कि menstruation is a curse. It is certainly not, because we know that it is one of the natural processes which is happening in females. Girls become pregnant by looking at the boys during menstruation. It is not at all true. A mother is responsible for the sex of the child and is blamed when she gives birth to a girl child. And we know it now. We have proved it scientifically that it is the sperm which is carried by the father is responsible for the sex of the child. Girls should not work in kitchen during menstruation. It is completely wrong notion, because it is something which is very natural. Girls should not take bath or wash their hair during menstruation. ऐसे बहुत सारे myths हैं जो पहले old times में for lack of education were being followed, but now we should discard all these myths and should not follow them, because we know the scientific reason behind them, and it is important to discard all these myths for a happy and healthy life. Thank you.